Hey lovely souls, welcome back to SS Beauty, your ultimate destination for all things glamorous and fragrant. I am John Dominic Rai, as known as the Whitehead Guy.
And I'm Sneha Das. Today we're thrilled to share with you some top sensational picks, luxury fragrances, what they splurge. There are scents that you must invest in and indulge in.
So I'm going to be talking about 4 of my favorite fragrances, and so is Sneha. So let's get this started. Perfume for me is genderless. I have a vast array of perfume from moody to musky to floral. I choose them as per my mood. Fragrances for me is a part of an ensemble. Like for example, a bag or a shoe should always match an outfit. It is very important for me to wear the right outfit on a right day. What about you?
So, perfumes are something that I connect my memories with, like a place or like a person or like good times that I've had. So that directly represents how I'm feeling that day or what the occasion is.
First up, we have the timeless classic YSL Y Eau de Parfum. Picture this. Sophistication, confidence, and a dash of mystery. It's like a power suit in a bottle. Fragrances are very personal to me, and I'm somebody who generally doesn't like hoodie or overtly musky fragrance. However, I'm in absolute love with the signature YSL Y Eau de Parfum. What I appreciate most about this cologne is that it's not overtly musky or strong. Instead, it has a subtle and sophisticated scent that makes you feel confident and elegant. The Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum surely brings a new definition of masculinity.
Oh, definitely. And speaking of YSL, let's not forget the Libra Eau de Parfum. Ladies, this one screams independence and liberation. It's like the scent of breaking free and like owning up your own space. Like I said, fragrances represent how I feel on a certain day. I'm wearing YSL Libra today as I feel very relaxed and confident. The best thing about this fragrance is that it's not a very overpowering floral scent, but instead it gives you a fresh undertone of citrus and lavender. Although my favorite part being the tinge of vanilla, which adds a lot more character to it. Next we have Lancome's Idol Le Grand Eau de Parfum. It feels like strolling through a garden of fresh roses, feeling like the epitome of grace. Roses are so classic, and it reminds me of my mother especially. And I remember my childhood smelling like this. Jasmine notes here complements perfectly with White Cypher, which had a slight musky smell. This floral perfume is surely one of my favorites.
We have Lancome again. This is the La Vie est Belle. Sweet yet sophisticated. It's like a warm hug on a chilly evening. Lancome's iconic La Vie est Belle Eau de Parfum with floral notes of Irish Pallida, patchouli and vanilla is surely one of my favorite floral perfumes. A few years back, I had the opportunity to visit the Perfume Museum in Marrakesh, and there I smelled the purest form of all notes, and I absolutely fell in love with patchouli.
And let's not overlook Prada Intense Eau de Parfum. Bold, intense and irresistible. The fragrance is equivalent to strutting down a runway and like turning every head with every step. This can be a perfect outdoor date perfume pick. If you want to feel very easy breezy and smell super fresh, then this is definitely the one for you. With notes like white floral, vanilla and fruity, you're good to go. This is definitely one of my summer picks.
The Dolce & Gabbana Devotion Eau de Parfum is a pure luxury in a bottle. Close your eyes and you'll be transported to the Italian countryside with notes of romance and passion lingering in the air. I absolutely love Devotion. It's a stunning, unique scent, perfect for summer and spring. It reminds me of my childhood days when I used to visit my maternal grandparents' home, and they had this huge orange palms, and as children we would run and play around. The notes of zesty oranges takes me back to those beautiful times which I will forever cherish.
So the Versace Dylan EDP is vibrant, energetic and oh so sensual. It's like a burst of joy captured in a fragrance, and it's ready to lift you up and like brighten up your day. Oh, I can't explain how much I love its floral accents. My sister got this fragrance for herself and I can't stop using it since. It's something that I always go back to. It's far more interesting than what it looks like. I wore it the last time and went on a date. It stayed the whole time. Ah, those good times.
The fragrance Burberry Goddess is a pure elegance. It's sophisticated, it's timeless, and it's downright irresistible. If you are vanilla obsessed, this is the fragrance for you. A warm and sweet gourmand with 3 notes of vanilla, vanilla infusion, vanilla caviar, and vanilla absolute. I personally love layering perfumes, so this perfume is surely the perfect cozy base for layering other scents on top.
Oh, absolutely. It's like a breath of fresh air with like fruity and like floral notes. Now that was quite a lineup.
And these are not just scents but experiences waiting to be embraced.
Don't forget to shop these on SS Beauty and Shoppers Stop. And guess what? They're all on offer right now.
Details in the description bar below. Go splurge.
And don't forget to drop down the comment below which ones are your favorite picks.
Also like,
Share
and subscribe.
Bye.